Someone saw my huge ponytail and decided to place an order. So I'm going to make one right now. This is the base of the ponytail, guys. So as I said, with the ponytails, you can have it really full, and then you can also have it, you know, natural looking if you're not too OTT like myself. But yeah, this is going to be a very extra, you know, ponytail. So yeah, watch this space. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when you're sewing it. It's like this. And I'm going to keep on sewing all the way in a zigzag pattern until I get to the end. Basically, I make my ponytails with human hair, not fiber hair. This is human hair, so it will last you for life basically. You can even take it out and fix it on your hair. You can, you know, do you know, tracks, or you can do clip-ins and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned and I will show you the finished results shortly. Alright guys, so I took a little break, but this is the hair. It's made now. So you have a perfect Afro puff. Put it away. It's ready. I'm really tired today. I don't know why, because I have some cooking orders tomorrow, so I think I'm going to finish early today so I can wake up nice and early and cook for people. So yeah, this is it done.